Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today we're going to be doing something called the reverse canvas. And what you're going to need is you're going to need any type of canvas from any local craft store. You're going to need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a staple gun, some stain and plastic gloves. Now the first step in this process is removing all of the staples from the back of the canvas because you're going to kind of be turning this inside out. So just be careful when you're doing this. But again, you just remove all of the staples, and then what you're going to do is you're going to flip this inside out, and you're going to put your frame on top of the canvas and mark it on the back and cut off any excess that the frame does not cover. Now the next step is staining your frame whatever color you would like. I'm just using an ebony on this because I'm kind of going to do a weathered look to it once I'm done. Now you're going to use whatever Chalk Couture transfer and chalk paste you want to use. This is one of our new family transfers that is so beautiful. This would make a great gift, like it's anybody that just purchased a home that has a family, or anyone who maybe is just having a baby. This turns out absolutely beautiful at the end. And I'm going to be using my three favorite colors, which is our mint green, our white, and then our coastal chalk paste. Now remember, all of our chalk paste is a water-soluble semi-permanent. And because I'm doing this on a canvas, it is permanent because canvas is porous. So here what I'm doing is I'm just sanding my edges of my frame since it's dry, because I want to, again, give this kind of a weathered look. Now, you guys, this would make a really fun workshop with your girlfriends. And honestly, this would probably cost about $25 to $30 depending on what design we choose. So get in touch with me if you'd like to learn more about that and you're local. So the final step is getting your design that you created, and you're going to flip your frame over to the back. You're going to apply this using your staple gun, and you just want to make sure you start at the corners and pull it tight, and then staple all the way around, cut off any excess, and then once you flip it over, you have this beautiful design. So if you'd love to learn more about doing this at an in-home workshop with me, chalkinwithjen.com, please reach out to me if you're local. I would love to share this with you and all of our great Chalk Couture products that is home decor without the commitment. So have a good day.